So here we are, just received our camcorder that we had ordered. It's a Canon XA 40, and it is our first camcorder. We've never had a camcorder before, and we bought this specifically for our upcoming trip to the Yellowstone. We hope to capture a lot of good video while we're there, and we really hope that we can learn how to use this within the next 10 days or so. So here we go. We're gonna open it up. Let's see what's in it. There we go. Ooh. Wow, looks good. Box. We bought a box. So that's the right side up. What do we have here? Oh, there's a bunch of lenses that you can add to this camera, looks like, and the user's manual, the usual stuff, warranty, and let's see if we can see the camera itself. Wow, lots of pieces. This is the lens hood with the screws that go along with it. Whoops. I don't know what these are. You have to spend some time learning these. But that's the lens hood. This is a choke. It's a magnetic choke that goes along the power cable, I would think, to filter out the high frequencies. We'll get to that later. Here looks like we have the battery. It's just the cube. Very good. That's the battery. And here is some kind of power cable for, oh yeah, that's the cable for the charger. This is the charger. This is the cable connecting it to the wall socket. What else do we have? Anything of interest in here? All right. Oh, this is the arm. Here's the microphone holder, I guess you would call it. It's the thing that holds the microphone when you have an external microphone. And here's the rest of the handle. This one attaches to the top of the camera, allows for better manipulation of the camera while it's recording, and also it has connections for the external microphones, 2 of them. Very nice. We hope to get an external microphone one of these days. Let's put that back in there. I don't think there's anything else under there. No, that's it. It's full of empty. Yeah, there's nothing under there. That's that. And dun 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 dun. Here comes the real part of the thing. This is the heart of the whole thing, the camera, and there it is. It looks like a work of art, if I say so myself. It's constructed very nicely. Well done, the Japanese manufacturing. Beautiful. As I said, it looks like a work of art, like a statue. And here are all the connections for an external headphone, USB, microphone, HDMI output. Nicely done. And down here we have the connections for the tripod or monopod, anything like that. Nice, nice. That's that. Here's the charger. This is where the charger attaches to. And what else? Okay, so, oh yeah. And here we have the 2 slots for SD cards. And I guess we might as well show you the SD cards that we already did order. Let me put this back for now. Very nicely done. Good design, good manufacturing. Since my work relates to the consumer products, I am always appreciative of good manufacturing of products. There we go. That's how it fits. That goes there. We can just put these right here. Let that sit there. Bye-bye. For now. And we did order the SD cards. We didn't forget about them. These are very nice high-speed SD cards, so the camera won't have to spend too much time waiting for writing. It can write very quickly to these SD cards. These are high-speed. And 128 gigabytes each. And this camera is capable of writing to these individually or separately, or in tandem, or it can use one for photos and another one for videos. That's a very nice feature, so that you can keep your photos and videos separate, in fact. It works really nicely, and I'm looking forward to using these, in fact. I think that's about all that we can say about this new camera, and I hope we will gather a lot of nice videos on our trip as well as in the years to come. Don't forget to subscribe, press the like button, and leave comments if you have any good comments and any good advice about how to use the camera, or how to take good videos and pictures with this camera, or if you have it, if you have had the experience with it, let us know, and see you in the next video. Ciao.